Hey there students, Mrs. M here again. I'm making this video for our Unit 3. We are going to get started on nutrition and physical fitness, and this is another awesome unit. We've kind of been tinkering in like the mental health unit or mental health portion of the triangle, the health triangle. Now we're going to be kind of moving on to the physical health side of the wellness triangle. So I'm super excited about that. These topics about physical fitness and nutrition, I feel like these are things that we are constantly working on. You know, whether we're like a couch potato and all we eat is junk food, or whether, we're a seasoned athlete and always watching what we eat. Like, I feel like we're always constantly, needing to look forward and see how we can improve and evaluate what things are working and what things aren't working. So hopefully you can find application in your life with both of these topics, and I think that you will. So I'm super excited about it. So just a quick heads up, there's a few things that where students really trip up in this unit. So the first one is in this nutrients for the body assignment. Okay, this is a very difficult assignment. So you pull it up, and it's open answers, blank answers. So you have all the options in the world, which makes it a little more difficult. Um, but I suggest you make sure you fill this out immediately after you have read through and watched all the videos and everything in the 6 nutrients. Okay, that's going to be the first thing that you use and that you are reading and everything. So my suggestion is that when you're filling out this worksheet, if you come across something that you're like, what in the heck? I don't remember anything. I don't remember that from my reading. Go ahead and go back. And luckily, this is kind of divided out into the different topics within the 6 nutrients. Okay, so you'll be able to kind of locate where you might be able to find that answer and then go back and review so that you can finish filling out that assignment. Okay, there's a couple areas where students really trip up on this. Okay, let's see. On number 3, it's asking you why is it important to limit simple carbs and eat more complex carbs, okay? And just saying because it's more healthy, that doesn't really answer the question, okay? So try to dig a little deeper on that one and provide a more, a more specific answer, and that will definitely help you with that. And then on number 7 and 8, it's asking for 2 types of fats, not examples of fats, okay? So a type would be like saturated fats versus a kind would be like potato chips or like steak or something, okay? So make sure you're listing the type of fat, like saturated, monosaturated, unsaturated, monounsaturated, or whatever, okay? So that is what how you can help on that one. Let me go up here. There's a couple other areas that I just wanted to point out. We again are doing a discussion board, so make sure, number 1, you're posting your initial post before or on Wednesday. It's the first 3 days of the unit, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, make sure you post your initial post. Make sure it's actually in depth, not just glazing over what it asks you to. On this one, it actually asks you to provide a resource for where you got your information about the nutrition value of your snack. So make sure you include a link or a source on that, okay? And then make sure you're responding to 2 other classmates, okay? And then the other place where students trip up is in this nutrition program planner, okay? And I'd really love it if you guys could do this for yourself and make this something that you could actually use. If you were wanting to improve your nutrition or just kind of plan out your week, try to make this so that you could actually use it, and then go ahead and try it out and see how it works. So for this assignment, there's actually a step-by-step instructions here. It just gives you step-by-step instructions, making sure you have everything that's needed for this nutrition program. And then here's an example. It doesn't fill it out all the way, but this is an example. So it has Monday through Sunday, so it has the whole week. It has breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Everything is filled out all the way. So you have serving sizes, what it is you're eating, the sides that you might be eating with it, things like that. And then it also includes snacks because we all snack a little bit. And then the physical activity section, you should be able to kind of plan out what activities you're going to do and try to make them fit each of the physical activity categories that we learn about in this unit. And so most of the time where students trip up is not doing the um, the serving sizes. The serving sizes is where they struggle a lot, and then sometimes they forget to include physical activity. So right off the bat, those are two things that you can really focus on making sure you're doing right. And then, like always, here's a rubric. This shows you exactly what you need to include on that. So that's really awesome. As far as the rest of the unit goes, let me see. I think that's it. That is the main areas that are worrisome for me. But I trust you guys. I'm excited to see your work here. I know that this can be a really awesome unit for you if you make it that way. So let me know if you have any questions.